world is getting smaller and more of us are traveling to distant and remote places. When we travel, one of our biggest challenges is how to guarantee that the water we are drinking is safe. There are currently dozens of personal water filters and filter bottles on the market that claim to solve this issue. The problem is that water filters only trap bacteria and cysts that then remain in the filter and continue to live and multiply. This can add up to a major health concern. In addition, water filters do not eliminate or even trap waterborne viruses that are really the biggest concern of all. To be truly protected from bacteria and viruses, water must be purified, not just filtered. Meet Purifiers, the most advanced, unique, and multifunctional true water purifier in the world. Purifiers kills bacteria and viruses instantly, on contact and on demand, while also completely eliminating waterborne cysts such as crypto and giardia. There is absolutely no waiting time or preparation required. As contaminated water passes through Purifiers, it is purified instantly, without the holding time or procedures other true water purifiers require. Purifiers can be used by one person or multiple users. With cleanable and replaceable insert cartridges, it can be used over and over again for many years, and more importantly, it can be stored for long periods without the same danger posed by filters.
Nothing beats getting out and exploring the world around you. It's with that adventurous spirit in mind that Survivor Filter designed the reusable portable water filter in canteens to keep you safe and hydrated. They're small, lightweight, and the canteens come with heavy-duty carabiners to clip to your bag or seal when rolled up for storage. The canteens and Survivor Filter are built to work together to help you get water when you need it most. The Survivor Filter features a triple filtration system, starting with the cotton pre-filter, which is placed directly in contact with the fresh water source and provides the first line of defense to remove large particles. Next is the 0.05 micron ultra filter, which acts like a barrier to help remove bacteria, protozoa, and virus. Finally, water passes through the carbon filter. This level of protection is designed to improve taste and help reduce heavy metals, chemicals, and pollutants. You can use this lightweight and versatile tool in a variety of ways. Use it as a straw directly from the water source. Or use the squeeze system with our collapsible canteens. Or simply attach the filter directly to a bottle of unfiltered water. Independent tests have shown that the Survivor Filter will take out an industry-leading 99.9% of virus, bacteria, and staph, and reduce heavy metals, surpassing EPA standards for portable water filters.
When you're trying to go as fast and light as possible, obviously weight is a huge factor. But days like that also demand that you stay fully hydrated so that you can consistently be performing at your best. Those two things really conflict because water adds a ton of weight. We designed the Trail Shot microfilter to help you save weight. Essentially, it gives you a full day's water supply at a mere 5 ounces and fits in your pocket. When I trail run, I like to carry 2 small water bottles. When those are empty, I can use the Trail Shot filter to drink directly and instantly from a stream along the trail. Then I can quickly fill up my bottles with clean water and get going again. Or if I'm wearing a hydration pack, I can connect it straight to my hose and fill up my reservoir. The Trail Shot filter is so tiny, it fits in a stash pocket alongside my bars. And it's quick to deploy. You just drop the pre-filter in the water and start filtering. It treats a liter of water in 60 seconds. The Trail Shot filter uses hollow fiber technology that meets the highest standards for removing protozoa, like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, and bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella, so you have reliable water all along your journey. The filter cartridge has a 2,000 liter lifespan, depending on water conditions, which for me is seasons of water.
The Sawyer Mini is the most versatile personal filtration system available. It's a perfect solution for backpacking, hiking, hunting, fishing, scouting, international travel, and emergency preparedness. At a mere 2 ounces, the Mini fits in the palm of your hand and can filter up to 100,000 gallons of water from any freshwater lake, river, or stream. The Sawyer Mini has a 0.1 micron absolute pore size. It was tested to 10 million parts of bacteria and 1 million parts of protozoa without a single breakthrough. This is the highest level filters can be tested to, so we're confident these are the highest rates of filtration available. The Sawyer Mini will remove harmful bacteria and protozoa like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, but it won't remove chemicals or viruses. However, viruses are rarely found in the water in North America and in foreign cities. The Mini can be used the following ways. Attach it to a Sawyer squeeze pouch and drink directly from the filter or dispense into a water bottle. Use it as a personal drinking straw to drink directly from the source or scoop up a bottle of water and drink instantly. The Mini screws directly onto most standard water bottles, which is great for suspect water overseas. Use it inline on a hydration pack. This allows you to fill your hydration pack directly from the source and filter water as you're drinking through the bite valve. Sawyer filters are so robust, they can be backwashed with high pressures and reused over and over again.
Engineered for outdoor or emergency use, the E-Tech City water filter straw allows you to instant access to clean, drinkable water from almost any unfiltered freshwater source, including rivers, lakes, and tap water. This is how it works. Unfiltered water enters through the inlet piece and passes through an advanced double filtration system comprised of a hollow fiber UF membrane and antibacterial carbon filter, trapping 99.9% of waterborne pathogens, so you can enjoy fresh, safe drinking water. The water filter straw is built for wanderlust travelers, featuring a lightweight yet durable design so you can easily store it in your survival kit, camping gear, or hiking backpack. To increase your water capacity, the straw is compatible with standard threaded bottles and hydration reservoirs. A foldable water pouch for filtered drinking on the go is also included. To drink directly from a water source, remove the outlet cap, then submerge the inlet piece in the water and sip from the mouthpiece. If you can't directly reach the water source, use the extension tube to extend your reach. If you're trying to drink from a more turbid water containing contaminants, simply attach the included pre-filter to the inlet piece firmly before sipping. To clean the straw, fill the backwash device with clean water, then hold it against the mouthpiece while pushing the plunger down to wash the inner filtration system. Repeat as necessary. Whether you're camping, hiking, or amidst a natural disaster, the water filter straw provides pure drinking water whenever and wherever.